Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So lately, I've been trying to get back into vlogging a little bit more. If you guys don't know, I used to vlog a lot more on my channel, and the reason that I don't do it is because I never had a tripod or holder for my camera. And I would always end up in situations where I'm talking and the mic is covered. For example. So finally, I decided to hop on Amazon and I bought a tripod, and I wanted to officially unbox it with you guys and give you my first impressions and a review. But before we jump into it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss when I upload. So the brand that I ordered was the Ulanzi MT-08 mini extension tripod pole. I actually wanted something really small. I know that they have these really extravagant tripods that you can get for your cameras, but I just like to keep it basic. So let's open this together. Basically, you can see it comes in this little tiny box and this plastic cover. Okay, so my initial thoughts about it are that the bottom tripod area is really easy to open. I also really love how it has the grips here in the middle of it just to kind of keep it more secure when you're holding onto it. And I also love how it closes in together and kind of clicks in. It's really lightweight, super sturdy. I love how small it is. As you can see, there's this little adjustable knob part that you can loosen and tighten in order to tilt your camera up or down. If you guys are interested in checking it out, I will definitely leave the link down below. Even though it's lightweight, I find that it does have a little bit of weight to it. It doesn't feel like you're carrying air. It feels like a really light, sturdy tripod. All in all, my initial thoughts are, I think it's gonna be great, but now it's for the real test. Super sturdy. My hands are completely away from the microphone. Guys, I know this is like no big deal to some of you guys, but it's a big deal for me. Okay guys, all in all, this is awesome. I definitely think it was worth the small investment. Sometimes it's necessary. And if you guys want to check it out, I would definitely suggest you guys check it out. Oh, another thing I want to mention, if you guys were looking to get something for your phone, I bought the mount for my phone that attaches to this piece, so I will definitely be getting that, I think tomorrow. I will leave the link down below. By then the video will be up and I'll have the link for that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions of your own of what tripods you like to use, leave them down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.